Alright. Luto tayo ng pasit canton. Boiled egg. Ito na yung aking tapos sa pan ngayon I'm working and cooking at the same time. So yeah. Okay, let's cook. Ito yung aking sink. I have my own sink right here. My BOXIO. This is a toilet. That's a toilet. This is my sink. It's dark. You can't see it, but I have a faucet. Ayan. Aking setup. Alright. Here we go. I need water. Pork. Ingay dito, maingay. Yep. And I have my spoon. I have to lock it. I have to lock the spoon, otherwise it will fold. Oh, sorry. Yan. Spoon and fork. I'm heating up water. Ito, it's downtown. Raining. Ay. Ito yung aking office. And my ribbons. Yep. And soon, convert ko na to sa van life. Hopefully soon. For the meantime, I need to use it for work. Last one. And noodles. Ayan, okay na. I'm still cooking some more. Kasi we're we're 5. So I need to cook 2 more. Ayan. Pasit canton. Lucky may pasit canton boiled egg. Ayos parang restaurant lang. Okay, tapos na ako magluto. Ay, salamat. Tapos na ako magluto na. My turn to eat. Ito na ako kakain. Maganda dito. Ito. This is the cover para dito. Meron pa nga ako mga panghugas eh. Ito yung mga simple camping gear, camping accessory or cooking mga pangluto. Anyway, ayan ang aking food. Sarap. Kain tayo, people. Alright. Okay. Time to clean up. Ayos. Tapos na yung kitchen ko. Stove. Tapos kailangan ito ugasan ko. And all this is trash except this and ito pang itlog. Alright. Mga utensils. Trash. it's clean. Siguro later on I'll buy, you know, a bigger pan and pots and pans. Pero for now, okay na to. Later on na pag if I decide na mag-van life, then yeah, I'll buy more stuff. Alright, thank you, BOXIO. Okay. Have a little strainer right here. And linis na ulit. There you go. Cover for the, you know, strainer. Yep. Okay. I have my spoon, my fork, and my knife in this little pouch, and I have the rest of these that I did not use, and my scrub and cover. Alright, okay na siya. That's it. I have everything. I have my little kitchen and this little pouch right here. And come on now, come on. There you go. And I also have a chopping board. This is also a BOXIO chopping board. I haven't used yet. Yeah, you just put it here on top. It has this little groove right here that's aligned with this. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put my soap in. Wait long. There you go. Now I have to check for my, kung meron pang tubig. Hold on for a second, let me check. Okay, this is my clean water. I think I still have, yeah, meron pa. Okay, but this is my gray water, which I need to dump. Dami na rin. Okay, I have to dump that. Okay, I have to secure this so that it doesn't, tilt or anything. Yeah, nakabungee na yan. And I'm done. I'm just gonna throw the trash in. I gotta start working now. Alright. The last thing is this light. Ako, very useful talaga siya. It has three modes. Hold on, let me check. Yeah. This is the like sensor mode, motion. That is so useful, you know. I just put it up here. Naka-magnet naman siya, so come on now. There you go. Just turn it on. I don't need to use it now. Okay, time to go to work.